to Goze's Kitchen. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you what I made for Mother's Day. This is a special vegetable soup with goat meat. It is so simple, so nutrient packed. And by the way, if today is your first time here, you are very welcome. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss on any of my simple and delicious recipes. Evening for you. This Efo Riro, I'm going to be using two super nutrient-packed vegetables, that is the kale and the spinach. This spinach is a very special species. It has a low water content, which makes it different from other species of spinach, and it makes it taste so well, better than the other species. So for the protein that I'm going to be using, I have some fresh goat meat, fresh cow food, the burnt one. Then I also have some snail, smoked catfish, and baked mackerel fish. So now I'm going to be parboiling the goat meat. So it's already washed in the pot, and I added some cilantro, some all-purpose seasoning, onion and salt, and I'm going to put it on the stove to cook. You're not alone. Thank you for the nights, holding our children, and everything that you do. Now I'm going to boil the cow foot. I already have it washed, and I'm going to pour it inside the pressure cooker pot. Add some seasoning, salt, bay leaf, some water, and I'm going to have it cook. You are brave, you are strong, you are loved, you are enough. So no, you are the heart of this family. Yeah, you are the stones that built our home. And I don't know how I can thank you. Yeah. The next now is to clean up the vegetables and blanch them. I already have a pot of boiling water on the stove. For my kale, I love to, blanch everything. I love to cook it with the stalk. I don't trim off only the leaves, so because I love the stalk as well. And a lot of nutrients are inside the stalk. So I just clean off the edge, and I'm going to blanch both of them. For my pepper mix, I'm going to be using habanero pepper, onion, and bell pepper. I'm going to be blending my pepper mix, which contains the red bell pepper, habanero, and onion, a lot of onions. Sometimes I mix the peppers together, like green bell pepper, red, yellow. I mix them together, but it doesn't really matter. It actually enhances it. For the habanero pepper, you have to make that to your choice, to your taste. Yeah, it depends on whatever you can take. But you're not alone. I know it's hard, and the kids are calling from morning to evening for you. As a mother, your work is never ending. I
want you to know that I see you. 'Cause you are the heart of this family. You are the stones that built our home. And I don't know how I can thank you.
Right now, I'm going to be adding all the protein immediately because the pepper mix does not contain any extra water. I didn't add any water when I was blending it, so the little water inside this pepper mix is what is going to cook up all this protein: the dry fish, the snail, and the smoked mackerel fish, so and the cow food. So I'm going to be adding all of that into the pepper mix right now.
Thank you for the life and the most beautiful thing I have ever known.
For my cow food, I don't usually cook it too soft, so I usually leave it for like 80 to 85%. So the rest is going to be cooked up inside the stew.
You are the heart of this family. Yeah, you are the stones that build.
Okay, now after adding all the cow foods, I'm going to stir very well and add a little salt because the meat has salt already. So I'm just going to add a little salt and I'm going to cover it and let it start cooking together.
I just want you to know that you're not alone. Yeah. Oh no, don't cry now.
So while our pepper mix and the proteins are cooking up on the stove, I'm going to be slicing all the vegetables, and I also have the goat meat frying up on the stove.
You are the heart of this family. You are the stones that built our home. And I don't know how I can thank you.
So the goat meat is ready. It's moderately fried and not dry. We're going to be checking on the stew. We can see that the pepper mix is well cooked. The oil, everything is up. So that shows that it is well cooked.
I know it's hard and the kids are calling from morning to evening for you. As a mother, your work is never ending. I want you to know that I see you. 'Cause you are the heart of this family. You are the stones that built our home. And I don't know how I can thank you. I just want you to know that you're not alone. for the nights, holding our children.
After adding all the vegetables, check for salt and adjust and cook for 2 more minutes.
Thank you for the life and the most beautiful.
I'm making some pounded yam to go with this vegetable soup.
You are brave.
Now we can see that it is very easy to put this vegetable soup together. This very delicious and nutrient-packed Efo Riro can be used to enjoy any swallow of our choice. We can put it in our white rice, jollof rice, fried rice, boiled yam or potatoes, boiled plantain or fried plantain. And we can put it on our yam porridge. We can just, it's so versatile and so very delicious. But this one, we are going to be enjoying this one with pounded yam. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, let me know in the comment section if you are going to be making yours and how you are going to make it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any of my simple and delicious recipe. I have more videos on my channel for your enjoyment. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed and see you in my next. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.